Welcome to Zenify BK Medical Concierge and Medial Tourism Services. A montage of Thailand's beautiful landscapes, bustling cityscapes and serene medical facilities. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into why Thailand is becoming the go-to destination for medical tourism and how Zenify BKK, a pioneering women-owned company, is leading the way in connecting patients to the best medical care in Bangkok. Stick around as we uncover the top 10 reasons that make Thailand a medical tourism hotspot and why Zenify BKK should be your top choice for medical coordination. Let's kick things off with our top 10 reasons why Thailand is the best for medical tourism. First up, Thailand boasts an array of JCI-accredited hospitals ensuring you receive care that meets international standards. These state-of-the-art facilities combine cutting-edge technology with luxurious amenities, providing a comfortable and safe medical experience. Affordable healthcare costs. Secondly, the cost of medical treatments in Thailand can be significantly lower than in Western countries, without compromising on quality. This affordability extends across a wide range of procedures, making high-quality healthcare accessible to many. Comparison graphics of treatment costs between Thailand and other countries. Point 3. Highly qualified medical professionals. Thailand's medical professionals are renowned for their expertise, and many have received training from top institutions worldwide. This ensures that patients receive expert care across all medical fields, both women's and men's packages available. Just let our team know what you want and desire to get done. Wide range of specialties. From cosmetic surgery and dental work to comprehensive health checkups, Thailand offers a wide array of medical services. This diversity makes it a one-stop destination for all your healthcare needs. All services available from head to toe. Minimal wait times. We will book your appointment. Forget about long waiting lists. Thailand's healthcare system is designed for efficiency, meaning you can get the treatment you need quickly and conveniently. Step by step, we will make sure you are looked after from Thai to English-speaking guides. Our team has you covered. Exceptional hospitality. At our partnered hotels and first-class car service, Thai culture is synonymous with hospitality, and this extends to its healthcare services. Patients are treated with utmost care and respect, ensuring a comfortable and reassuring experience. Point 7. Language proficiency. Worried about language barriers? Fear not. Many Thai healthcare professionals and staff are proficient in English, facilitating smooth communication throughout your medical journey. Scenes of doctors communicating with international patients. Recovery in Thailand is unlike any other. The serene landscapes and tranquil environments provide the perfect backdrop for a stress-free recovery. Beautiful visuals of Thailand's natural landscapes and wellness centers. Point 9. Easy accessibility. Thailand is a major travel hub, making it easily accessible from anywhere in the world. Coupled with visa-friendly policies for medical tourists, planning your medical trip is hassle-free. Beautiful, relaxing beaches. Comprehensive aftercare. Post-treatment care is crucial, and Thailand excels in providing comprehensive aftercare services to ensure a smooth recovery, with many resorts and facilities specialized in post-treatment wellness. Zenify BKK. Now that you know why Thailand is an ideal destination for medical tourism, let's talk about why Zenify BKK is the best partner for your medical journey in Bangkok. Zenify BK Introduction. Zenify BKK, a women-owned company with 17 years of experience, stands out as a beacon of trust and efficiency. They specialize in connecting patients to the best hospitals in Bangkok, ensuring a seamless and personalized medical experience. Expertise and experience. With nearly 2 decades in the field, Zenify BKK deep understanding of Thailand's healthcare system and its network of top-tier hospitals guarantee you are in expert hands. Personalized care coordination. Zenify BKK prides itself on offering personalized care coordination, tailoring medical journeys to meet each patient's unique needs, ensuring a hassle-free and comforting experience. Strong hospital partnerships. Their established partnerships with leading hospitals mean patients have access to the best care options, and navigating the medical system becomes effortless. Comprehensive support services. From visa assistance to aftercare arrangements, Zenify BKK's comprehensive support services cover every aspect of your medical trip, allowing you to focus on your health and recovery. Commitment to excellence. Above all, Zenify BKK's commitment to excellence and patient satisfaction ensures that your medical journey in Bangkok will be as smooth and successful as possible. Thailand's allure as a medical tourism destination is undeniable. And with Zenify BKK by your side, your healthcare journey is in the most capable hands. Whether it's the high-quality, affordable care you seek or the seamless coordination of your medical needs, Thailand and Zenify BKK have you covered. Book your appointment with Zenify BKK today. Ready to embark on your medical journey to Thailand with Zenify BKK? Contact them today and take the first step towards a healthier you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights into medical tourism. Thank you for watching. Instagram, Zenify BKK, Facebook, Zenify BK or YouTube, Zenify BKK TikTok, Zenify BKK website, zenifybkk.com in Thailand Line app. Add us there as well as use Zenify BKK.